Celeste, are you helping Papa with the vacuuming? Wow!
Yeah, she's telling me where I should vacuum.
Yeah, you're noticing all the small little things that he misses?
She's very good at finding those little bits.
Nice helping, Celeste.